So Flexitallic in India will be locally manufacturing spiral wound gaskets, FlexPro cam profile gaskets and soft sheet cut gaskets. More importantly, we will have the capability to manufacture our proprietary problem-solving products such as the change gasket, vermiculite and curriculite gaskets. Flexitallic India has a very close and long-standing relationship with our channel partner Excl Industries. Our entry to the Indian market now really aligns with the government's drive for global companies to make locally. It will also make it easier for state-owned companies to deal with Flexitallic. From a day-to-day perspective, customers will have access to Flexitallic's technical expertise, and our local manufacturing will significantly reduce lead times, enabling better support to plant shutdowns. Flexitallic will be exhibiting at India Energy Week. I'll be there alongside Flexitallic and Excel's technical teams in Hall 1, Stand 1B80. We'll be showcasing our differentiated technology products, and customers can come and see sample gaskets of our unique designs and unique materials. If you need a problem solving, please come and see us.